It's gone so
Mr.
soft on
Sanjay
Mr.
Jha, you
Narendra
had
Modi.
said that the Jayanti tax
Narendra
comment
Modi
was
accused
Narendra
her of
Modi
Jayanti tax and she
disrespecting
doesn't
women
seem to be bothered
because he
about
had insulted a minister who had done such good work. Congress leader Ambika Soni said, how can anyone referring to Narendra Modi insult a minister who has done such good work? This shows how much Narendra Modi respects women. The fact of the matter is you have cast aspersions on her the moment she has turned against Rahul Gandhi. Sanjay Jha, think about it and expose your
I'm
hypocrisy
answering
tonight.
your
The
question.
afterthought is today
It
that
is
the
the
Congress party
responsibility-
casts aspersions on Jayanti Natarajan's tenure by coming out and saying that industrialists bitterly complained not just about the delay in clearances but also in the manner in which the clearances were done. You kept quiet all this while. Why? Because she didn't speak against Rahul Gandhi.
When Mr.
The moment she
Anand
speaks
Sharma-
against Rahul Gandhi, you turn back.
Now, Arnab, Mr. Anand Sharma told the press what he heard from some members of the CIA.
I know, please,
That
no,
does
no,
not
no, no.
mean
1 second,
He's
second.
not
Now you're backing
insinuating-
off.
He's not insinuating anything.
Shahid
until it is
Siddiqui,
proven and
Shahid
established.
Siddiqui is now
And it
now
is a
Sanjay Jha backs off.
responsibility
Shahid
of this
Siddiqui back to the
government
debate.
to
Judgment and you
I'm
see
Shahid
telling
Siddiqui,
you, the
Shahid Siddiqui,
BJP
please.
government has put
Shahid Siddiqui, please. Shahid Siddiqui, please.
Sanjay Jha,
don't go back.
He's
Answer.
going back.
Congress should answer.
Shahid
Congress
Siddiqui.
should not go back on this.
Because every
Arnab,
2 minutes he takes a self-contradictory
very-
stand.
Arnab, it's very clear that they have all, they in the past they have been doing, the only thing Congress leaders have done is to protect Sonia ji and Rahul ji.
Yeah.
And for the last 10 years they have been doing that instead of protecting Indian economy, the country and Indian polity. And unfortunately they continue to do that.
How is this
even at
relevant?
the cost of the Congress
Firstly, you're
party.
wrong.
They have
Secondly,
destroyed
this is not
their
even
own
relevant.
the government, but now they are trying to destroy their own party. They must accept the fact and they must say, let there be inquiry against Rahul Gandhi. Let there be inquiry against Sonia ji.
Yeah.
If there can be inquiry against Jayanti
Shahid Siddiqui,
Natarajan, there
if I
can be
make an
inquiry against
accusation
Rahul
against
Gandhi
you on
also.
the TV
Let them
channel
welcome
today,
it. If
should
they
there
are
be an
clean,
inquiry
why
against
should they
you?
just go all get
I mean, how
together and
ridiculous,
attack
preposterous
Jayanti
and
Natarajan
atrocious can you
and
be?
make her a scapegoat? That
Mr.
shows
Siddiqui,
that
you have your
they
own
are
political
extremely
angles.
Fearful.
Kindly
They are
refrain
extremely
from making
frustrated.
very loaded statements which are absolutely irrelevant to the context. We know where your political allegiance lies. Please, for heaven's sake, don't try and
You
pretend
are
to be a
making political
dispassionate neutral
statements.
speaker.
What I am saying is, let there be inquiry. What's wrong with that? What is
That
political
all
about
this
it?
No, 1 minute.
I mean, if there are
Mr.
charges, there
Siddiqui,
must be inquiry.
Mr. Siddiqui, you
will
can't do
welcome
an
it.
inquiry
Because
without
the
any
people will
reason.
welcome it.
Arnab,
I might have to take a break for a minute. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Senior Congress
Mr. Rahul
A
Narvekar.
very senior Congress
Exactly.
leader is saying that
Exactly.
there was interference.
What is stopping them?
Exactly.
Congress, I am not saying Congress is holier than thou. They may have their own faults. But what is stopping the Bharatiya Janata Party government from initiating an inquiry against Ms. Natarajan? Is she not? Is there
Sinha,
not a
start the
chance?
inquiry.
Is there not a
Why do
chance
you
that
think
she's being
anything is
sponsored
stopped?
by the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Things are being inquired
The
and
situation
investigated.
and the timing of her comment.
No, what
why
is
did she
making you
keep
so
quiet for
jittery?
1.5 years?
Why are you
while she was
jumping up and
enjoying her
down?
ministerial berth, while Congress
No, I
was in
fail to
power,
understand.
why did she
Why
make
are
these
you
wild
so rattled?
allegations?
But why are you
Why is she
afraid of
making them
inquiry?
at an
Why don't
opportune
you say,
time?
let there be inquiry?
These are things which need to be answered.
Why
Just
are you
making
afraid
bold
of
allegations
inquiry?
is
Why
not
don't you
enough.
say
You
we
need
will
to
like
answer
no,
these
no,
questions.
an inquiry and investigation is going on.
2 months
Investigation is going on in large number
I have
of
a
cases.
basic question.
Let me enlighten
I
my
have a
friends.
basic question. You see,
What
Sanjay
seems to be
Jha,
absolutely
Sanjay Jha and Rahul
After a
Narvekar.
CBI
Rahul
inquiry,
Narvekar, 1
isn't it
minute.
a
Rahul
remarkable
Narvekar.
coincidence?
Rahul Narvekar.
Arnab, you are an intelligent
Rahul
political
Narvekar.
anchor. Can't you see the writing on the wall?
Rahul
You see, 1
Narvekar,
second.
don't be lost.
You can call me an
That's the king.
intelligent anchor. Don't call me an intelligent political anchor. The only politician on the program is you and Aman Sinha and Rahul Narvekar. The question is this, Sanjay Jha, and I feel bad for Rahul Narvekar tonight. If I may share, so why? You see, Rahul Narvekar is in a unique situation where he has had to drop reason and fact for the political compulsion that Narendra Modi rejected the NCP's offer of support, and he has to therefore be on the wrong side tonight. Mr. Narvekar and Sanjay Jha, a simple question to be put to both of you, very wise and otherwise reasonable gentlemen who make this display of lack of reason only when you have to defend your party. Sanjay Jha, tell me this. If somebody
since you made certain
stabs...
charges against me and my
No,
party,
if somebody
don't you think I
murders
should get an
somebody,
opportunity to answer them?
if a murderer uses a knife to stab somebody and murder him and the person dies, who do you file a case against? The knife or the murderer?
Now that's too brilliant a question for me to answer. What was your next question?
Why? It's just a question.
Well, obviously. I mean, come on.
Unfortunately,
Who do you file a case against? Knife or the murderer?
What are you trying to arrive at? No, you always have a devious motive behind your question.
Unfortunately, Mr.
What's your follow-up
Goswami's bias
question?
has
I have
been
no
exposed
devious
on the show
motives. I'm
tonight.
asking a very direct. You want me to be direct?
Mr. Goswami's
I'll tell you what
bias
I'm
has
saying
been
tonight.
exposed tonight. I have a question for you, Mr. Arnab
That's all
Goswami.
right.
While you put so many questions to the Congress party, which I have got no objections to, you are free to do that. But then I have
Why
a
are
simple
you getting
question for
edgy
you.
about it?
Why
You want to
isn't
join
there
the
a
Congress?
single question for the party in government today?
Exactly.
Aren't they the party in government? If they think there is so drastically something
Which
so
is the
wrong,
party which is
why
being
can't they
exposed?
take
I'm waiting for
action
an
Which is the
against
party
the
which is
concerned
being
person?
exposed?
Exactly.
What is the problem with them? Is there a deal between
No,
them
that
and
is the
Jayanti
exact
Natarajan?
allegation
Which is
that
the
I'm
party
I
making
will
on
bail you
audio.
out.
That
I
you
will
are
bail
not
you out from
allowing
the
me
charges
to
made
speak.
against you, and you
Please
will
ask your
sing the
question.
song I asked you to sing.
Indictment of the
Is that the
prevailing
story?
One
culture
second,
in the
Aarti Jarat will
Congress.
explain something
And
to
the
you.
controversy
Mr.
today.
Narvekar, listen.
Narvekar-
Mr. Narvekar, listen. Aarti Jarat.
Jayanti Natarajan has made a damning indictment of the prevailing high command culture in the Congress,
is
where
your
a
word the last
minister
word,
is
Miss-
asked to overturn
Madam,
rules
Madam,
and
is
laws
your word the last word?
on the
circumstances
order
in which
of the
this
High
lady has
Command,
made
on the
these comments
diktat
and
of the
these
High
statements
Command.
certainly
How does
cast
this
a
happen?
reasonable amount
How
of
can
doubt
a
on the
minister
credibility of the
overturn a
statement she
law
had made?
because the High Command has ordered her
the
to do it?
situation-
Because it's a party line.
Are you
I
done?
mean, how does this happen? There are laws. Surely there are environment laws for
Aarti
project
Jarat, one
clearances.
question. Do you
And
as
if
a
she's
political
saying that whatever
journalist-
she did was
I
on
mean,
the
Aarti Jarat, a
diktat
question
of the
to
High
you.
Command,
You
then
don't
that
doubt
means
the
that
motive
she's
behind
thrown
the
the
timing?
laws. She's just
You
thrown the
don't
laws
doubt
out
the
of the
motive
window.
behind the timing. I'm
That's what
asking you a
she's
question.
saying. She's talking
you-
about the High Command
Ms. Jairaj, I have a
culture.
question for you.
What is your
when
answer
Mr.
to that?
Yediyurappa was shown the door
Yeah,
by the
please.
Bharatiya Janata Party, he leveled several charges against the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership. Were they investigated? Did you speak in the same voice then?
And he was
Did you
welcomed
speak
to the
in the same
party.
voice then?
What's the relevance to
What's the relevance?
No, the relevance is
What's it?
this.
Rajagopal.
The relevance is
So
this.
answers about
When
it.
a
I'm
discredited
saying
leader,
there was
when a
investigation
discredited
against me
leader
discharged.
is shown the door.
Don't go to
What are you
Yediyurappa.
saying?
He often
You
makes
must
these
come to
charges.
should
Jayanti
please-
Natarajan's
you should
nine
first
questions.
enlighten yourself.
Aman
There is
Sinha,
no
Aman
question
Sinha,
of
Aman
Yediyurappa
Sinha.
in this.
Aman Sinha.
Veracity of these charges.
Look at the
Aman
history of
Sinha.
NCP,
situation in
which has a
which the
remarkable
charges are
record of,
today certainly
world
cast
record in,
a
making
reasonable amount of
corruption in
doubt on the
Maharashtra.
credibility and veracity of these charges. That's all I'm trying to say. It makes me
I
charges
cannot
are
even
being
hear
made
what
by
are
Anand
you
Sharma.
screaming,
these
please.
charges are made.
Please
it
be-
makes me
Sorry,
I have nothing to do
Mr.
with the
Narvekar-
person who's leveled these charges.
I cannot hear you at this shrill
no,
pitch.
one
What are you
second.
saying?
This is
Arnab, how did you
Congress
miss
against
the connection?
Congress.
This is, you see.
Congress
Arnab,
against
how did you
Congress,
miss the
Rahul.
Snoopgate connection? Jayanti
So-
Natarajan goes soft on
So it
Snoopgate.
seems
It is an obvious
Mr. Sanjay
political
Jha and
link.
Mr.
I mean, you don't
Rahul
even have to be
Narvekar
a
have
Nostradamus
overtaken
to
your
predict
job,
what the
Arnab.
future will be.
They are asking everybody
Jayanti
questions
Natarajan
and they
is
are not
under
responding
huge
to
political
any
pressure from
questions.
the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are slipping in the Delhi elections. The insecurity is at the moment perceptible.
Achha.
Therefore,
There
the
is no
timing is
connection.
the Delhi election.
There is no connection
and
between
today
Jayanti
she's been
Natarajan
told,
and Delhi
They
elections.
may be
she's been
slipping,
told,
What is
but
the
you're
connection?
slipping
Get
even more.
The Congress should answer that.
They may
That
be
is the whole-
slipping,
She's
but
not
you're
going to be
slipping
affecting
even
Congress
more.
chances.
Why do you keep bringing the Delhi elections in, which has no relevance in this debate
what is
on
this?
this
I
issue?
respect
You
you
are
as a
a
journalist,
non-entity
but I
in
do
Delhi.
believe that
What
you
is the
seem
point
to
that you
have
are
lost
making?
your track in this
This is the
this
most
moment of
ridiculous
time.
argument you are
Look at
giving,
the
that it is
timing,
because of
Aarti, how can
Delhi
you miss
elections.
it? How can you miss the
Jayanti
timing?
Natarajan has
And
come
look
out
at
in
the
these
other part.
elections.
What
She
is the
gives
relevance?
Narendra Modi
Lost your track is
There is no
synonymous with
Congress
Congress.
in Delhi elections.
12 months.
There is no Congress in Delhi.
Mr. Jha, Mr. Jha, do you remember what Rahul Gandhi said at FICCI?
Yes, I know.
You remember what he said?
I've got his speech right
He
in front of
said,
me.
basic,
Quote it.
I'll play the tape now because, I've had enough of you denying everything.
No, I have got
so
this
just
speech
in
right
order
in
to
front of
refresh
me.
your
Don't
memory, in order to refresh your otherwise failing memory, and you shouldn't need a written copy actually, it should be fresh in your mind.
Don't worry.
Your memory is failing you, Sanjay Jha. In order to refresh your memory, I will now play a tape, authentic, unless you say we will send it to London for forensic
The
analysis
tape, Arnab, that will just further
of the way in
corroborate what
which
we have been
Rahul
saying.
Gandhi distanced himself from the controversial decisions of the Environment Ministry, which Jayanti Natarajan now reveals
Play the tape.
were decisions that had his hand in them. This is Rahul Gandhi. Ask yourself, Sanjay Jha, was he speaking the truth?
He was
Here's the
speaking
tape.
on
I'm going to come
behalf
back
of
to
the
it.
tribals, on behalf of the poor of India.
आप अपनी जमीन के लिए लड़ रहे थे, अपने धर्म के लिए लड़ रहे थे और मैंने आपसे कहा कि देखिए मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूं, आपकी जो यहां आवाज उछली जा रही है, दबाई जा रही है, उस आवाज के लिए मैं दिल्ली में आपका सिपाही हूं।
In areas which are absolutely critical with regards to environmental damage, we need to be careful. But we can chart out a path that helps our industry actually grow. Look, we need raw materials to grow, so we have to get at them.
That's not a fake tape. He changes his position and he criticized Jayanti Natarajan at the FICCI. And this is the exact quote, let me please tell you, of the letter where she says, Jayanti Natarajan, I took great care to ensure that the interests of tribals were protected. I rejected the environmental clearances to Vedanta. This is on Rahul Gandhi's instructions, despite tremendous pressure from my colleagues in cabinet and huge criticism from the industry for what was described as stalling a 30,000 crore rupee investment from Vedanta. Now, you understand how serious this is. This is not Jayanti Natarajan rejected the 30,000 crore investment from Vedanta. This is Rahul Gandhi telling Jayanti Natarajan to reject the 30,000 crore rupee investment from Vedanta and other cases.
This is the Supreme Court.
One second.
This is not
what
Mr.
if
Rahul
tomorrow
Gandhi.
if she proves?
No, 1 minute. What are you saying, Arnab? This is the Supreme Court verdict.
Tomorrow if she says it is. She says it is. No, 1 second. Tomorrow, if she proves that in the Lavasa project in Maharashtra, the Nirma cement project in Gujarat, if she proves, please, Sanjay Jha, if she proves, yes, look at your papers. If she proves that there were emails from Rahul Gandhi's office, what will you do?
Arnab, you are distorting the
What
truth
will you
here.
do?
What does Jayanti
What will you
Natarajan
do if
say
she
in a
pulls
letter?
out emails tomorrow?
She says, despite tremendous pressures and huge criticism from industry,
She says, don't quote selectively. Don't quote selectively. She says, I received specific requests which used to be directives from us, from Rahul Gandhi and his office following environmental concerns in important areas, and I took care to honor these quote-unquote requests.
Supreme Court decision. Vedanta.
But why was Rahul Gandhi interfering in the running of the government?
By the way,
why was Rahul Gandhi? Is he a cabinet minister? Was he a minister of state? Who on earth is Rahul Gandhi?
Well, can I answer?
Why was Rahul Gandhi doing this? Why was Rahul Gandhi breaking the constitution? Why was Rahul Gandhi disregarding the law?
Why
was Rahul Gandhi interfering?
Why does RSS tell the government what they should do and what they should refrain doing from?
What is this about the RSS coming in on this?
Arnab.
No, this is nothing. I'm talking about Rahul. Where's the reference between Rahul Gandhi and the RSS? Are you saying what? Rahul Narvekar? Are you saying what Rahul? What? Are you saying Rahul Gandhi was to the previous government what the RSS is to this one? Are you saying Rahul Gandhi?
Then my question to you is, how does an outfit which has nothing to do with the government in place dictate terms to the government?
Arnab, now that you give me a chance, Arnab, I would like you to...
She's documenting it. No, Sanjay Jha, one last question. Sanjay Jha, if she pulls out emails, if she pulls out the... if she pulls out data, if she pulls out emails, if she brings the evidence, what will you do? If she brings out the evidence, what will you do?
I'll tell you what. Firstly, let me answer your question. We challenge Jayanti Natarajan to be able to establish any evidence of any infringement or a direct instruction or an advice from the office.
I'll contact Jayanti Natarajan now.
We challenge her.
I'm going to call Jayanti Natarajan live on the program, please.
Please do. And
I'm going to call her right now, please.
While you're making the call, don't waste the time of your news or viewers.
I'll make the call.
I want to read to them exactly what Mr. Rahul Gandhi said at FICCI. I'm going ahead, Arnab. For the viewers of News and a rare moment when Arnab Goswami will become quiet and I'll be doing the talking. This is what Mr. Rahul Gandhi said.
1 second.
We are a fast-moving economy. We cannot allow you to be held back by slow decision-making. Accountability has to be clear, fixed and time-bound. Now, tell me how is this wrong? Many projects are still stuck, some for good reason and some for no good reason at all. However, much of the information about these cleared projects remain obscured from the public domain. Anybody tell me if anything that he said so far is wrong? Last line, Arnab. Many of you have expressed your frustration.
Don't give me
with
the lectures, come to the point, please. That doesn't impress me.
That are delaying projects unduly. There is excessive administrative and judicial discretion. The loopholes are so big that you can drive a truck through them, and which I think is a reality. The last line that will nail
so what,
Jayanti
the loopholes
Natarajan's
were
lie.
his?
The
Sorry.
last line that nails Jayanti Natarajan's lie that Rahul
Sanjay, one
Gandhi
second.
was trying to make her humiliated. Environmental and social damage must be avoided, but decisions must be transparent, timely and fair.
One second, Sanjay Jha, now my next question to you is,
some of the Times News are and debated.
9 questions. Jayanti Natarajan.
One second, the question is very
Congress
simple.
should answer.
The question is very simple. Please understand it. Let me explain it to you logically. Facts today, and I just request 1 minute of your silence. Facts are not on your side. Conviction is not on your side. A simple elucidation of a fact, giving you an analogy, will help you understand what I'm talking about. You talk about loopholes. Take the story here, what Rahul, tell me one thing. If somebody digs a manhole so deep that it might kill a person if he falls in it, then jumps into the manhole and then says, but somebody else dug the manhole, not me, and goes on a public forum and says, let's investigate the person who dug the manhole. That's what Rahul Gandhi did. The manhole was his creation. He went on a public forum in FICCI and said, these are big loopholes. He was creating the loopholes. He was, according to Jayanti Natarajan, the author of the loopholes. He was the hidden hand. He was the invisible power. That's what she's alleging. Don't you understand? She's alleging that.
The US UPA government is considering a natural resource investment SPV. The idea is to obtain all clearances before auctioning projects to private players. This is a powerful and innovative idea. How can you debate and argue with that proposition? The NDA government is following the same principle today. And by the way,
tell me one thing.
Where is Mr. Narendra Modi today? The man who said
how slow were you to move?
Why hasn't he
What a slow moving government. 10 years you were still considering.
Is he using this as a Damocles sword over Jayanti Natarajan to try and attack Mr. Rahul Gandhi just before the Delhi elections, because the BJP is likely to head for a defeat there?
You're saying
these are the hard realities.
One second. Are you saying, I want Aman Sinha and Shahid Siddiqui on air, please. My question is, 1 second, very serious charge. Aman Sinha, is the BJP blackmailing Jayanti Natarajan? Is the BJP blackmailing Jayanti Natarajan, Aman Sinha? Are you blackmailing Jayanti Natarajan, Aman Sinha?
No, she has made allegations. This is an admission by Jayanti Natarajan on the state of affairs during the UPA regime. The way, the misrule and misgovernance was rampant, and how, the ecology, the environment and the economy of the country was mishandled on pretext of the Congress leadership. And now it emerges, Arnab, that the policy paralysis and the economic slowdown was all self-generated by the Congress leadership. They cannot blame the circumstances. And now when they are totally rattled and shaken by the admission of their own minister, they are, making any kind of, flimsy ground and excuse just to justify anything. And they are making self-contradictory, self-defeatist statement. On one hand, Prime Minister says that,
in fact, I feel
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said that she made glorious contribution to Environment Ministry. Anand Sharma says something else. And Mr. Sanjay Jha is going on a totally tangent. I do not know what he's saying.
Aman Sinha, you will not understand because you haven't even understood the entire context of this discussion. And please answer the question raised by Mr. Arnab Goswami. Are you blackmailing Jayanti Natarajan?
Put it directly.
Yes or no? It is very obvious. There is political pressure.
Not.
CBI investigation in October.
And please see.
Jayanti Natarajan writes a letter in November. Amit Shah meets her in December. And in January she releases a letter. 4 months in a row, there is a clear, defined political trend of behavior.
About 70 projects were cleared in a short span of 30 days. And
No,
that
answer
was
the
only
question.
to appease
Mr. Sinha,
the
cut the
corporates.
election
And lakhs
rhetoric
of,
here.
projects which
Don't
were,
talk of policy and
project worth
you are
lakhs of
the
crores
responsible
which were
for
stalled and
parliamentary
pending
paralysis
were
that the
only
country has
pending
paid dear
at the
for.
instance,
And
at
hopefully
the
the people
dictates
of
of the
India will
Congress
teach you a lesson
leadership.
shortly.
And when these projects were cleared, they were also cleared during only due to the dictates of the
Yeah.
Congress leadership. The point of the matter is that the UPA government was not acting as per the statute laid down. They were acting on whims and fancies
Yeah.
of the UPA leadership.
Mr. Sinha, how many projects has Mr. Prakash Javadekar cleared? And why has Mr. Arun Jaitley given Vodafone a 3,200 crore waiver by not taking it to Supreme Court and depriving the Newshour viewers, you and me, including Mr. Arnab Goswami himself, the taxpayers' liabilities?
Controversial, the Vodafone decision was. Your party leaders
And
went
why
against
SBI
it.
Adani deal?
No. Have you formally opposed it? Go and appeal against it.
We are talking of.
What is
Why
the
are you not
difficulty?
appealing against
Shahid
it?
Siddiqui is making a
Why are you not going to the Supreme Court?
Retrospective tax
Why
is not
are you
desirable
trying
for
to
economy. We have said
obliterate
it
the issue by
straightforward.
saying we need to make a business-friendly environment by 3,200 crore write-off? You don't trust your own income tax department?
Yes.
Shame on you.
Sanjay Jha.
There is no right of
Sanjay
at
Jha,
all.
1 second.
You are
Shame on you,
absolutely
Mr. Sinha, you and your party. You are fooling and taking the people of India for a
is not
ride.
at all desirable, and this has been
Gentlemen.
consistently held even by your own
Gentlemen,
party.
you
What are
guys
Gentlemen,
have
I have one last question.
You know what your party has
One
been
last
saying in the
question.
past and what your finance minister has been
One
saying in the
last
past.
question, allow me.
The
One
fact
last
of the matter
question.
is-
One last question, gentlemen, allow me.
Congress party is extremely
Congress is for
rattled
99%
by
of
this
India.
classic case of crony capitalism
You are
and
the
sadistic
ultimate crony
economy that they have been
capitalist.
practicing.
Okay,
You're
okay,
prime
okay,
minister.
gentlemen,
The
gentlemen, one
prime minister
second.
of an
Start attacking
industrialist
BJP for no
gives
rhyme
them
or
a
reason.
state
Gentlemen,
a loan of $1 billion.
ladies and gentlemen,
And he lives in the
ladies
same
and
hotel in New York.
gentlemen, ladies and
Attends
gentlemen,
grand
one
banquets
point
at
is
Ashburn
simple.
Bhavan.
I'm
Today,
not even able to hear what
today,
Mr. Singh
Sanjay Jha, today, don't give, this is a Newshour program, not gossip program. Today, you cannot explain how you knew that files were being taken to Chennai for clearance, as you yourself allege, and not explain to us if you knew about an official violation, a violation of the Official Secrets Act, why you didn't act against it. You see, you've sunk a hole in for yourself out here, Sanjay Jha. Your party leaders say we knew corruption was going on, but yet Shahid Siddiqui, they don't tell us why they took no action against the corruption.
One falsehood.
Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui.
Arnab,
And that's
Jayanti
what's
Natarajan
happening.
denies it.
Shahid
And
Siddiqui,
therefore
please.
it is
Shahid
the
Siddiqui.
In order
responsibility
to
of this
hide one
government to get to the
falsehood,
bottom
you
of
have
the
to speak
conspiracy.
100 untruths,
What is
and
this
that is
government
what Congress
for?
party is doing
You have a
today.
government.
The
Let them do
question is
some
not of what
investigation.
NDA is doing now. The question is what happened at that time, and everybody knows that at that very point, even
Right.
the Prime Minister was frustrated because he was being, pushed into a corner. He was it was not a secret that he wanted to resign at a point of time because of what was the
Okay,
way
the
he was
interview
being
with Jayanti
directed by
Natarajan.
Rahul
The
Gandhi and
interview
the
with
party.
Jayanti Natarajan.
One last
That's
word.
why-
No, I'm totally sure of that. The interview with
believable.
That
What
I
he's
hope-
saying is
I
quite
hope-
believable.
This episode has revealed a very
But they will
serious
go on
lacuna
shouting
in
and
our
they'll go on
environmental
protecting
laws.
Rahul Gandhi
They need to
instead
be
of
made
facing the
transparent.
reality.
They need to be made accountable.
gentlemen.
And the present
It's not
government
just a-
needs to make sure that
Okay,
there
the
won't
in-
be this kind of misuse in
the